How do agents and advisors help with NIL contract review? Imagine signing a deal that could shape your future, but not fully understanding what you're agreeing to. That's where agents and advisors step in to help. They are your guides through the maze of legal and financial details in NIL contracts. Their main job is to help you understand what each part of the contract really means. They look at the compensation offered, how long the deal lasts, and if there are any restrictions on your other endorsements or activities. They check for clauses that might be unfair or could cause problems later. Agents and advisors also negotiate on your behalf. They try to get better pay, more flexible terms, or clearer responsibilities from the companies or sponsors. They make sure the contract says what it's supposed to say, so there are no surprises after you sign. They help draft or review the legal language to make sure it's fair and easy to understand. This way, you know exactly what you're agreeing to and what your rights are. Since NIL contracts often involve money and legal commitments, these professionals also help you stay within NCAA rules and state laws. These rules can be tricky and change often, so having someone who knows the latest regulations is a big help. They guide you on what's allowed and what could risk your eligibility or academic standing. Once you sign a contract, agents and advisors don't just disappear. They keep an eye on how the deal is going. They make sure everyone is sticking to their promises and that you're not missing out on payments or benefits. This ongoing support is important because balancing sports, school, and business can be tough. It's also important to choose advisors with proper credentials. Some states don't have strict rules for NIL agents, so it's smart to work with someone who has experience in contract law or sports management. Understanding how they charge fees and their ethical standards can help you avoid shady deals. In short, agents and advisors are your trusted partners. They help you review, negotiate, and manage NIL contracts so you can focus on your game and studies, knowing your legal and financial interests are protected.